What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me once again. This time we have Blanche started up. I haven't used her in about two and a half weeks because the weather's been an absolute myth. I've got some things I'm going to do to her, maintenance wise. She needs a clean again after I spent $1 million getting her detailed. That visor and that lid is absolute filth. The front of the bike is an absolute murder scene. Don't know if you can tell. Absolute filth. So I brought some products we need to review and try. So bear with me and I'll show you what they are. First things first, cleaning maintenance. The bike is absolute filth. I need to get this fixed ASAP. That visor, spare one, chrome one. See-through obviously, but chrome. Don't know if you can tell. Just looks clear from this angle, but absolute filth. This lid after that long ass ride to the Peak District. Absolute filth. The amount of dead bugs on that. What I've brought, I've been watching some reviews online. We've made two purchases. One is Muc-Off helmet, visor and goggle cleaner. How good it is, I don't know. We're gonna try, because if it's bullshit then I'm gonna let you know. That's one. And then the second thing is, if I can get it out, okay, all right then. We've got Muc-Off Waterless wash, if that even makes sense. I've seen a lot of reviews for this. Whether it works or not is a different story. We're gonna try it. Apparently this is for like a top up. If you're going out and you want the bike spotless, this is just a quick once over. This is a microfiber cloth, apparently will sort the bike out, but nothing will beat a good clean, as you've seen in one of the previous vlogs. I've been wanting to try this for a little while. Shout out the homie Sat for putting me on this. Put on the screw cap sprayer nozzle thing, give it a good shake, let it agitate up, spray it on the bike, let it do its thing. It smells bloody nice as well. It smells of strawberries. Let's clean those bad boys. We're gonna let that sit for a little while and let it do its thing and see if it actually works. And then with this microfiber cloth, give it a wipe down. Slap that on there. If you can see, it's changing color. It's going pink. Now this dirt has been on the bike for about two and a half weeks. We're gonna let that sit for a little while, then we'll come back to it. In the meantime, we need to try this visor goggle cleaner, Muc-Off. Let's see if this actually works. This visor isn't as bad as this one, so we'll try it on both of them and see what happens. We're gonna let that sit for a bit as well, to be honest. Right, I'm gonna let these two things sit for a little while. That's gone even more pink. Look at that, absolutely disgusting. Right, let's get into this bad boy. It's been sitting for a while. With the waterless wash, what we're going to do as a top up, just give it another spray. Where's the bloody nozzle? And see if it actually works. Doing this one-handed is so long. I don't know how I'm going to do this. give it a temporary wipe. I can't do it properly with only one hand. Let me do it properly with two hands and I'll get back to you. Right people, after giving it a good thorough clean, what do you think? It's hard to tell because it's silver, but it is spick span. She's clean. Right people, we've let this sit for a bit. Now I want to do this in real time and see if it actually does the job. So let's get to it. Microfiber cloth in hand. Seems to be taking everything off. Let's try this. That needs to be done underneath there as well. Seems to be doing the trick. Obviously it's not a permanent fix, it's best to wash the bike properly. But I just wanted to try this for a quick turnaround. If you're just going somewhere and you want the bike spotless and you don't want to actually pull out the pressure washer and do all of that madness, this is a quick top up. Best thing to do is just wash the bike properly, but we ain't got time for that today. Waterless wash seems to be doing what it says. It's like brand new again. It might be hard to tell in this, but all the dead bugs have disappeared. Don't know if you can tell. I'm gonna give it a good proper wipe, then I'll come back to you with the results. I'm gonna do all that, do the forks to a certain degree, and do that other wiper blade. I'll come back to you guys. Right people, I've cleaned the bike, given it a proper once over. Now we're shiny again. It's done the job. Waterless wash for a quick wash. Now you can hit the streets if you're going out and about. I am not today, unfortunately, because I got quite a few things to do on the bike. As a top up, I forgot I got this Muc-Off silicone shine, $9.99. Expensive as but that we're gonna put on the bike as well, just to give it a once over, especially the front parts. But we're gonna put it on the microfiber cloth and then wipe it down on the bike. Got another microfiber cloth, a clean one, because we can't use that one because that is heavily contaminated. We're gonna get that, slap it on here, and give the bike a once over. Now, doing this with one hand is not going to be easy. Drop that there, get that off. Let's put that somewhere else. Now this stuff smells wicked. This apparently will give the bike a shine. As long as you don't get it on the tires or the brakes, then you're good. It clearly says on the back, do not get it anywhere near, do not get it anywhere near the tires or the brakes. If If we had smell-o-vision, you'd know this stuff smells so good. With the amount of dents in this bike from the previous owner, it's not a bad idea trying to get this PPF wrapped, but that's a whole different situation. That isn't dirt, that's a scratch. Not from me. And there we go, looking like brand new. Not bad, does the trick. Now for this bad boy. So I've taken the 2 pins off. Can't even see what I'm doing because the sun's blinding me. That one there, and then that one on the other side. So let's get this off. There we go. Nice and easy. Pin lock on the inside. Anti-smog, if that's even a word, or fog. You know what I mean. Whatever. Look at the state of that. WTF. Let's get this bad boy sprayed on. Let that sit for a good 5-6 minutes. I haven't read the directions or the instructions on the back, you know, CBA and all that. Just spray it on, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we'll see if it works or not. Clearly it's worked on that one. Right people, it's been about 5 minutes now. With one hand, absolute nightmare, but we'll try. Not that side, that side. And then I'll give it a proper clean and show you. And there we have it people. Like brand new, nice and clean. Inside. Apart from a few minor scratches, which is gonna happen, everyday usage and whatnot, it seems to work. That works, that clearly works, and that clearly works. It's worked for me. Try it, buy it, do what you like, but for me it's worked. Peace out people.